Everyone, so don't mind the loud kids. We're back and we're making one more video. So this is my pyro, the 6145. It's to 2000. But this is, we're just opening it now. Sorry. Okay, so we got everything out. This is it. This is a nice cage. This is the rear. This is the connectors too right here. Okay, it was too loud out there. Okay, so this is the pyro 2000K or 2000, yeah. And then here is the actual that goes into the manifold, just little fittings. Looks good. I can't remember what this thing's called. I don't know what the heck that's for. I'm trying to think if because I never used it on my last truck, so I don't know why you get one of those. And then here's your actual pyro thing there. It's all fine. So then here's just, it's super simple and I don't have to worry about like the hoses and stuff like that. But let me see if I can find the end of it. Okay, so here it is. So black is your ground, obviously. Red is your constant power. So when you turn on the key, it will just turn this on and start working. And then your white is going to be your illumination. So on the rear, all you gotta do is just plug it in, run the cords in, and you're done. That's it. It's super easy. The hardest part is probably going to be going through the firewall again, but I already have a hole for that. So that's super easy. Take that back. The hardest thing is probably going to be going through the firewall, which I'm trying to see if I can go to Jake at Diesel Mafia and see if he can get me in and try to get that hole drilled, because I don't trust myself and I also don't have the right tools. So always go with professional. But we'll get this put in, get it all wired up, and then last thing I'll do is I'll just leave it for Jake so we can, or whoever, and so we can just tap it and that's it. So get back to another day. So right now what we're gonna do is I'm gonna kind of go through the firewall, get the cords and everything. But this is also what I got too. I got at Walmart the added circuit. It's $7, so it's nothing crazy. I'm gonna put it in, and I'm putting it into my windshield washer fuse. So, and it's kind of different on this one because let's see if I can get it in there. Okay, see if I got it in there. Focus. So it's there, pushed in, and there you go. So once I get the power cord ran through there, and then up here, the thing, it'll light up, or actually it'll turn on. And then I'll get the illumination super. So it won't be, so probably I'd say a couple more days so I can actually get it over to Jake to tap it for me. And yeah, that sucks, but what can you do? It sucks. You gotta take time off work and all that crap. But let's move on to the engine bay and we'll push through the harness. Okay, so we got it run through. Wasn't too bad because I just kind of made that little slit in there, that little boot. So I take this off, your little. Sorry about that. My kids are walking through. Anyways, yeah, you take off the little relay module dealy right there, and yeah, and then it's a lot easier. You can see everything in there. Pull it through, make sure you're not pulling on anything like crazy, and then we'll kind of go through here and feed it up, and I'll plug it in, and yeah, I'll take this back off. So let's get that off. Okay, so we got everything kind of wired up where it's kind of supposed to be. So I'm going to turn on just to make sure, because this is what you always should do, is make sure that they turn on before you get all set up and you're like, oh fuck, it doesn't work, or it's defaulty or something. So what we'll do is turn on. Let me see if I can put it somewhere. Okay, so it's on. We're going to make sure we can hear a sound turn on. That's a good sound. So it works. Awesome. Hey everyone, so back, and it's all wired up. I just ran through here. Lights work, as you can tell. If you can turn that light off, kind kind of. But yeah, you can see pyro, boost, and then CTS. Turns off and on, just fine. It actually looks a lot better now. It's not so, this one was that random gauge, oil pressure gauge I had. Doesn't look all ghetto anymore. All I gotta do now is hook it up and it will look awesome and work like it's supposed to. So there you go, zeroed out. She's all set. Yep, looks really good. So here she is, guys. She's installed. I gotta clean that up. But here is the final product finally. Got all installed. Jake did awesome. Tapped it. It literally took him 10 minutes, if that, which would have taken me forever. And also, look at this. Look how much freaking oil is coming out of this. That's crazy. But on the note, yeah, so I'll show you an interior shot and the actual gauge working, but it's awesome. Super easy, just kind of time consuming, nothing too bad, but we're gonna put this back on, so. Okay, so this might be a crappy video because my windows are too dark and I have the window open so you can see it. But that's it right there. I mean, it works awesome and it lights up blue, so it's really cool. But other than that, I mean, it's really not that hard. It is kind of expensive, but I mean, it's like 210 bucks I think is what I spent on Amazon. But other than that, I mean, it looks sick, and it's like a must-have because you don't want to start melting turbos and blah 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 and blowing up stuff. So always good to have. But yeah, that's it. A boost gauge working, the edge is working, so all these are good things to monitor, especially in a diesel truck. But like, share, comment, do whatever you want to do, and let's get this channel bigger. I'm trying to do some more stuff, but I just kind of got lost in life and blah blah. But I want to do the radio. Let me know if I should do the radio or the wheels, and I'm pretty sure everyone's gonna do the wheels. But I really am tired of this. I really want a different radio. It sucks. So let me know in the comments. Yeah, but thanks for watching.